Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. And we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 27 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. We are now taxiing towards the Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hindi matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipalam sa inyo na paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew Captain Navarez and First Officer Kamaungay, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was really a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. We ask that you keep your area clean and tidy, and kindly clear your seat pockets of remaining litter and bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose things in the bins that will be provided near the exit. We seek your cooperation and ensure that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po namin pinaalalahanan na ang lahat ng paraokin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais ninyong itapon sa loob ng aeroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. For passengers with onward connecting flights on Cebu Pacific or SEPCO, please proceed to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, please approach your ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, good morning again from the flight deck. For your information, this is just a temporary stop while waiting for our final bay assignment to commence proper disembarkation. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Maraming salamat po.